Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. I'm glad you tuned in today. I'm going to be doing a DIY project. I'm going to be bleaching this shirt here. I cut some holes in it, jazz it up, make it look cute like always. So I'm going to be using bleach. We're going to be using gloves and a squirt bottle or a spray bottle, whichever one you have sitting around the house works fine. Then we're going to be using this tin can pan, and that's what I'll be using to put the shirts in. Okay, so what I'm doing here is saturating the shirt, making sure I have it wet really good. That way the bleach soaks in a lot better. It absorbs it a lot easier. And just start wringing it out. Wring it out real good to where it's not dripping wet. Then when you're done with that, you want to put some gloves on. You're getting ready to work with the bleach. Working with chemicals, you always want to try to put gloves on if you can. That way you don't get skin irritation or anything like that. So what I'm doing here is picking out the area where I want the design to start or be at. I'm just starting to twist. Twist it all in that same direction. Then you want to just start to gather in the shirt. Kind of start scrunching everything in towards each other. Just like that. Then we're going to get the pan. And place this shirt in the pan. That way when I'm spraying, the bleach doesn't get everywhere. This is the bleach I'll be using. And so basically you just want to start spraying. You'll actually start to see it working pretty quick, especially with black shirts, black material. It'll start to show up real quick. You can actually see it turning colors now. Then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. And I actually did this outside. I did this part outside just because I didn't want to be indoors with all that bleach smell in a tight area or anything like that. I just wanted to be out in the open air. Okay, so then after that's done, you want to rinse the bleach off. I would say rinse it until you see that the water is done changing colors, because the water was a little brown when I started rinsing it. So then when I seen that it was starting to get clear, that's when I knew, okay, we're good. You want to make sure you wring that out good. Alright, I'm going to throw it in the dryer. Let it dry for about an hour. Voila! Look at what we have here. And I decided to actually do some shorts I had, some biker shorts I had sitting around. I decided to do those. And here you have it. I hope you guys liked. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. And have a blessed night. Peace and love.